Good afternoon, traders. I greet you all. My name is Okoyeocha, reading for Land of the Rising Sun. Okay, so let's go to today. I want to start with a question. What do you do, or how do you feel when you see your profit vanish? I mean, you are making, let's say, 80 pips profit, and you hope to see 100, 120. All of a sudden, it goes back to 10, 20, or even to negative. What do you do? You will be sad, right? Of course, everybody will be sad. But if you are sad, it's a sign of amateur trader, because you have to know that whether the pips are green or not, it's not yet profit until you close the trade. If you see 200 pips, green colored pips, it's not yet profit until you close the trade. So my advice is this: mostly on Thursdays and Fridays, where we have some news, if you open a trade, meanwhile, before you open a trade, you must have a target and a risk before you open a trade. You mean I'm risking $100 to get $500, something like that. So you have made up your mind, either you get $500 or you lose $100. That's a nice mindset for a trader. Then, but when you open your trade, when you open your chart and see that though you target 150 pips, but your profit is 100 pips, 120, and the day is Thursday or Friday, that news can turn everything around. The best thing to do is to close the trade. Because why? The good place to place your to shift up your stop loss to break even might be giving you only 20 pips or 30 pips out of, imagine, 80 to 30. So even you close the trade, if news comes out, it continues in your way. You have closed it. If news comes out, it turns against you, you have closed it. But once a trade is still open, it's not yet profit until you close it. So having said this, let me go into today's business. Meanwhile, this will be the last weekly analysis I will do this week. Maybe I can do some little things within the week, but I will advise you to trade less this time around, because market seems to not have direction towards the end of the year. I will resume my normal analysis after today, second week of January. Okay, so now let's go to business. Remember, for a long time, my idea is that this is wave A, then this is wave B, then wave C is going down. So now, how long will this wave C go? I don't know, but the point is that it is dropping. It is dropping. That's the point. And I was expecting. Let me go to 4 hours. Let me go to 4 hours. I was expecting the price to do something like this. This type of movement, a kind of A, B, C, before going down. But it just, okay, let me open my I was expecting the market to give me an ABC before going down, but it just keep dropping. These have been there for a long time. So the dropping, the wave B, I show you, is not dropping. Then this seems to be a leading diagonal. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if this is a leading diagonal, it means that this current buying may continue going up for a long time before it will drop again. So what I'm saying is that the time to you only look for sell as long as DSY is concerned. So let's go to Euro USD. Euro USD also look for sell. Euro USD, we look for sell. You look for buy, please. Let me show you daily. So this is wave A, B, C. So the wave C, I don't know how far it will go, but it's time to buy Euro USD. Now, let me go back to 4 hours. If you look at this is what I expected before buying. I expected this because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is wave A, B, C, but it didn't happen. It didn't happen. Now, this is no longer the case. This is no longer the case. But what will happen is that I'll be watching how this develops. I don't know how deep it will go. And one thing is that it didn't break this high. So maybe we may get a kind of flat. That is, it can still go as low as it can still go as low as coming to this zone before the buying continues. Or it may even make what we call it can easily be a kind of zigzag, because it didn't break this top before coming down, so it can still come down and move a little lower than this place before buying. So that what I say, so we may get a kind of move in this favorable gap for those who trade SMC and ICT. We will get a favorable gap trade here. So we keep watching how the market moves. Remember, I said this is time to trade less because markets can behave anyhow this time around. Okay. USD card. USD card. Let me show you what I'm looking at on USD card. USD card. Whatever is happening here, I'm expecting I see this as USD card can still make a bigger move. This can be W, X, Y. So USD card can still make a bigger move. You know, I know it will be correct, but I have been seeing it as it will make a leading diagonal. But this type of move is not a leading diagonal anymore because it didn't get it didn't make the required structure to be a leading diagonal. So this can be just A, B, C. That is B, then A, B, C. And so this can be W, X, then Y before the big move starts. So you need to be careful not to make some mistakes that will harm your trade. So you can see this can be a WXY or WXYXZ. So I'm seeing that DSY USD card will still come to 1.29, 1.28 before the buying starts. So let me go to 4 hours again. So now this is no longer an ABC. I remove it. what I can say we get now is a kind of wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. That is wave 1. Then we get A, B, C. Wave 2, then wave 3. So we are going down, down, down. So I'm looking for this type of move. Then I will sell. That's my idea for USD cards. Okay, so let's go to USD chef. USD chef is also going down, and I think we're gonna get a new low from here. This low will likely be broken on USD chef. Now, if you remove the labeling, you can see that anyway, until this low is broken, you may still be looking for buy. So this looks like A, B, C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we keep watch to know whether the market will give us a corrective structure to sell once more, or if it will go sharp. Okay, then just let me just give you what will happen if the market continues to move fast and break this high. Then it's time to look for sell. I mean for buy. But if it keeps moving like this, it will drop again. If we move faster and break this place, to just do this and buy again. So that's what I have. That's my idea on USD check. So sometimes you leave some pairs, forget about it for a moment, and focus on others. Okay, so just like this, I showed this to those who joined my Telegram channel. So took the trade, some didn't took it, but I know this will happen. This type of move can repeat itself. So let's watch what is happening here. Pounds USD, I have to see you daily on this. Remember, my bias is that pounds USD will drop. And I haven't given up to my bias. I'm looking for a drop because I can only count this as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then A, B, C. I can only forget about this dropping until here is broken. Remember, last week I said that we can even get a triangle. So that, but I want to be going to such idea every time. That is, I will be showing you everything every time. Watch previous videos. You can see that I explained that we may have a triangle here. So the possibility of triangle forming is still there. So, but what I'm saying is that I cannot buy pounds USD now. I cannot buy it now. And if you see how fast it go up and how fast it's dropping again, I'm interested in selling pounds USD. I'm buying. So I will take setup. I will ignore buy setup for now until I see reason to buy. Okay. AUD USD. AUD USD. I expected it to drop further to give me an ABC. Okay, before buying, but it did give me an ABC. Then let me show you something outside the labeling. This look like, if you know structure, you will know that this look like nothing but leading diagonal. That is wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. Maybe the wave 5 will move higher. Then it will give us an A, B, C before buying. So this look like leading diagonal. Okay, that's what I see here, leading diagonal. I don't have time to label everything now. That's why I will hide the labeling so that I'll be able to show you what the market looks like at the moment. So I thought we're gonna get an ABC, but you just make a one drop, or it will turn out to be a running flat. I don't know for now, but either it will buy little, then it will give us correction. I said then before we buy. So that's the thing I see on that's what I see on AUD USD. Something similar we also see on New Zealand USD. On New Zealand USD, the same thing. Though this one completed the move. This completed the move because it entered at our reversal zone. You can see it touched the reversal zone. Then it went up. It touched the reversal zone and go up. So if you look at it again, just like his brother, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is not even like lean diagonal. It is a clear impulse move because there is no overlapping. So it's a clear 5 waves move. So we are looking either it will still go up a little, or from here to give us an A, B, C. Then it's time to buy. For you, being a good trader is to knowing the right time to buy and another time to close. So, sorry, knowing the right time to open a trade and another time to close a trade. So that's what makes you a good trader. Okay, let's continue. JPY 225. I'm not satisfied with. Yeah, I mean, I can see this as wave 5. Let me show up the labeling. I cannot take this as the 5th wave. So maybe it's part of the 5th wave. Maybe it's making you can see this as wave 1, wave 2, wave 3. Maybe it's making A, B, C, wave 4, then wave 5. I need to see something bigger before I will now say that wave 5 have completed. Then we look for A, B, C. So for now, I'm looking for. I'm still looking for an opportunity to sell, to buy, please. So this is what I think is gonna happen. WXY XZ. So maybe you're gonna get something lower. If I get something lower, then I would like to buy before I look for sell. Okay, so this must keep going. You can even, this is also a good selling opportunity. If you go over to 1 hour, it can be a nice time to sell. But for now, I don't want to go to 1 hour. I don't have the time, but it can still make sense to sell, but not right now. Since the top can be seen in this future. Euro JPY, I made this labeling last week that before we end somewhere here. Meanwhile, the truth is that I didn't expect it to move like this because what makes a market correction is the way it moves. I was looking for this type of move, A, B, C, before it drop, but to make a sharp move up, then going down sharply. But all I can say that is I expect 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it is happening as I expected. So it's now left for you to check to know when you're gonna sell. Because why? Okay, now let me give you another lesson. That lesson is this. We might get a triangle here. Then this wave 4 will be here. Then wave 5 will drop. Then after that, we get a move up. Then so now, because of the shape we likely get a triangle as wave 4 before we get to wave 5. So I'm showing you all these possibilities so that you not make mistakes. But this wave 4 might not be over yet. This can be wave N, then we're gonna get wave B. This can be the wave A of wave 4. Then this can be the wave B. Then we can get wave C, wave D, wave E. Then it will drop. It becomes a triangle. Okay, so let's keep watching. When a certain pair is not clear to you, leave it and go to another one. For instance, JPY is a better pair to trade. So let me remove this ABC because it's a pure this is wave 5, this is wave 3, this is wave 4. I don't like the shape of this all this structure. But as I say always, we don't control the market, we follow the market. So to me, this is fifth wave developing. It can still drop. It can still give us an internal 5 waves. For instance, you can see 1, 2, 3. So this is like 4, then 5. Then you can now count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then after this, you look for A, B, C before selling again. Okay, that's what I see here, and nothing more. Past JPY looks similar to Euro JPY. So yes, you might get a triangle, but meanwhile we are getting a new low. Wave 5 can be 5 pips, 10 pips, even 1 pip below or above wave 3. So it's still a valid count. So now let's check what will happen here. Meanwhile, here is my target and it reversed as my target. Okay, so let's keep watch to know when to sell. The yen pairs is for selling. I don't want to buy yen pairs now. Let me show you this. I have shown you this before. But I'm expecting a bigger drop. You see this? I'm expecting this one, this one, this one. So we may go as low as 170 or even 165 on pound JPY. Bear that in mind. Gold and silver. Gold and silver. I don't have much to say because yesterday somebody requested for silver and gold update. I have to make this that I'm expecting it to give me a B, C, then it will drop. So the market was here when I was doing that. Now it is dropping. So maybe we're gonna get this A, B, C before it drop again. In that case, this will then be W, X, Y. So let's keep watching. The situation on silver. So 2 of them, no time to waste on them. The silver, of course, I'm looking for it to give me something similar. So that's for silver and gold. Platinum, remember I said 3 weeks ago that platinum have made a bottom. But I don't think platinum will go down again and make a new low. And it's been going up since then. So the only way to count this very chart now, the only way to count it is that this one is This is wave 1. And this is wave 2 as an expanding flat. The wave 3 is developing. I don't know how big it will be. Okay, so but this is what I can see and nothing more. The water again. US oil. US oil. Uh, hmm. US oil. Last 2 weeks, I show you daily charts that US oil might be heading to below 60. That is what I'm looking for. But right now, it is correcting. This move is a correction. This move up is a correction. It may not get to 80 or 79 or 78. We will likely get an ABC. Then the dropping will continue. Unless I see reason to change my mind. For now, oil is still a sell market. Show you daily again. Daily chart again. Let me show you the daily chart again. So looking at it, you can see we are looking the move is somewhat clear what we are looking for. Something like this is what we are looking for. Maybe we get a little move like this, then it will drop again. Though it might go as low as 50, but it will likely drop. Will likely drop below 60 before any visible buy again. So let me show you the chart again. So you can see WXYXZ between 62 and 50 is our target. The possibility of dropping to this zone is here, but I don't want to go there because it is still too far. Okay. I think we go, let's go to NASDAQ and his brothers. Okay, NASDAQ on daily chart here. This have been here for a long time, so it is almost at our target. Don't know what to say here, but let's look henceforth. I'm looking for correction. It's almost at our target. If you be following me weekly, you know that I said we are heading somewhere here. Okay, so it's now approaching there. Don't think I have what to show you. Don't know, but it's almost at our reversal zone where we'll be looking for. Now, let me tell you something again. Don't try to catch the first move of correction because you're not sure of where it has ended or not. So this is how I trade. I will watch for the first drop. Then I'll check for correction. Then I will sell the second drop. That's how I trade. Because when this happens, at least you are sure of this one will happen 70% that this will happen again. Though some few times they don't happen, but the percentage of it happening is almost 80%. And trying to sell this is risky because you are not sure whether this will still go up, do this, go up, do this, go up. So better wait for it to drop. Then you are sure that the ABC is about that ABC is about the ABC is about to happen. So that is how I trade. That's what I'm showing you. Okay, I don't think I think I went the video because it's already too long. All of them the same thing. On this one, I expected it to correct before going higher, but it didn't correct. Now, just what I told you on NASDAQ. If I open a sell from what I'm expecting, you see, I will lose. So I better see it happen before I go for the second phase. Okay, so nothing to show you here again. US30 made a harmonic pattern, but it just consolidate and keep going up. So I'm waiting for a proper move down, waiting for a first leg, then I'll go for second leg. Okay, so that's what I can say on that. They're all doing something. You can see a harmonic pattern. It didn't expect it. It's still going up. Okay, I'm looking for this drop, this, and then I will sell this. So it's simple. Okay, I don't think I have got the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and God bless you.